So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to unbox and set up the Shokz OpenFit Wireless Headphones. And if you're looking to buy one of these, I'll leave a link right below the video, so feel free to check that out. So I've gone ahead and removed the plastic wrapping on the outside of the box. Let's see what's inside. And the first thing you'll notice is the container that actually contains the earbuds themselves. Let's put that aside. And next you have this tray inside here. Let's remove that. And let's see what else is inside. There's a second cardboard tray all the way inside. Let's remove that as well and see what's under there. And inside this little cardboard pocket, you seem to have a nice little bag for your earbuds. You have a bunch of documentation. And last but not least, you have the USB-C charging cable. Let's now remove this outer plastic cover from the container that contains the earbuds. And another thing to pay attention to, as the quick start guide suggests, is that the first time you open this up, it'll go straight into the pairing mode. So you can actually connect it to your phone, which should be fairly straightforward. So I'm going to go ahead and open the case up. And as soon as I open it up, you'll notice that this goes into pairing mode, which is a flashing green and orange LED up front. And I'm going to grab my phone and do the rest of the setup on my phone. So the device is still in the pairing mode and I've got my phone out, and the procedure is pretty much the same whether you use an iPhone or an Android phone. Go into your settings, then go into Bluetooth, and make sure your Bluetooth first of all is on. And then if you look down that list and where it says other devices that haven't been added yet, you'll notice the OpenFit by Shokz. Tap on that and there you go. It says that it is connected, and once it's connected you'll notice that that LED on the front that was blinking is no longer blinking, and the earbuds are now ready for use. Now what makes these so special is that these are open ear earbuds, so you don't have to put them into your ear canal. They won't do any damage to your ear canal, and you'll be aware of your surroundings even when you wear them, which is what makes these amazing in my opinion. Now, as with a lot of other headphones on the market, these headphones also have touch sensitive zones where you can actually perform actions by touching a specific part of that headphone. And this allows you to do things like play or pause music, take a call, hang up a call, and do all those kinds of things, or even skip to the next track or forward through a track if you need to. Now, to charge these headphones up, you're going to place them back into the case, and that case seems to be magnetic because it's snapped right into place. Let's put the other one in as well, and then you can go ahead and close the lid of the charging case, and then plug the USB-C cable that's provided into the back of the charging case, and then you can plug the other end into any power source. I'm just going to use a little power bank, and once it starts charging, you'll notice that there is a solid orange LED up front, and when it's done charging, that will turn green. And that completes the unboxing and setup of the Shokz OpenFit headphones. If you have any questions regarding the setup, please leave me a comment right below the video. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I'll leave a link to these headphones right below the video in case you're looking to buy one. And if you found this video useful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned for more reviews, unboxings, and how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.